there, and happy Holistic Monday. Hope your day is going well. Let's dive right in. I know one strategy that's very helpful for clients I work with and helpful for anyone during their day is to use some grounding. And this is especially true if you notice activation in your body with anxiety, just feeling like your heart rate going up, feeling hot, any of those anxiety symptoms. Grounding can kind of get you back in your body, help you feel more centered and present. So in the present moment, right? Because a lot of times anxiety, we're in the future. So how do we do that? There's lots of different ways to ground, which is awesome. One way is to use something called 5-4-3-2-1. First one is to notice 5 things that you see. So wherever you are right now, you can try this. You can also try this even when you're driving, but of course, don't take your eyes far from the road, but you can still try this even while driving. So if I'm looking around my room, I notice what are 5 colors. So I see purple, white, pink, gray, and brown. You can also look for objects. I see a triangle, circle, rectangle, square. Or you can just see what are other kinds of objects, like I see my desk, I see my chair, my printer. So it's kind of calming your mind down just to look for these certain things. So that's 5 things that you see. So what is 4? So 5 things are that you can feel. So if you take your hands right now, put them on your legs, just notice how your clothes feel. You can just imagine, how are your clothes feeling on your upper body and then lower body? Are they soft? Are they rough? Feeling light or heavy, depending on the season, right? So just noticing that. You can also touch your chair and just feel, is there coolness, warmth? Is it comforting, soothing? Or is it uncomfortable? Maybe it's rough. So just noticing those feeling things around you. You can also take a crystal, put it in your hand, or other grounding stone, doesn't have to be crystal, and just notice how it feels. This is light. I feel the different textures on it, feel the shape of it. And with crystals or rocks too, you can always close your hand and just hold it for a moment. Close your eyes, just connect with it, just feeling it in your hand. And breathe. And again, knowing that breathing can be a grounding practice. So try that now. If you have an object close to you, just hold it. It doesn't have to be a rock or crystal, just staying with it. And breathe. Taking a couple breaths. And with your breathing, you can also tune in to notice not just the breath in the nose, notice your side ribs. As you inhale, they go out, exhale, coming back in. Notice the ribs in your back. Notice your belly as it rises on the inhale, falls on the exhale. Noticing your chest, rising on the inhale, falling on the exhale. And then bringing your awareness back to the room, noticing. You can put your object down now. And just tune in. Notice how you feel even after doing this short practice. So going back to 3. So that was 5 and 4. So 3, instead of feel or see, what are things you hear? And sometimes it helps to close your eyes. So if I tune in and listen in my room, I hear the ticking of the clock. And then go to outside of the room. I hear my husband on the phone. I hear the leaf blower, the birds. And then internal voice, just noticing what's there. Or is it quiet? I hear my thoughts about what am I going to do next. And that's okay. Accepting what is. It is mindfulness and grounding too. So 3 is hearing. I'm just noticing any other sounds that may come up. And 2 is smell. So what do you smell? I smell my essential oil. I'm going to smell my coffee. You can smell it. And if you don't smell anything, what is a smell that you do like, and try to connect with that? One of my favorites is lavender or sandalwood. I'm trying to imagine that right now. Maybe you like the smell of chocolate chip cookies in the oven or apple pie. And number 1 is taste. So what is something that you taste in your mouth right now? Or if you have a drink or a mint, go ahead and take a sip. I taste my flavored coffee. I can't remember the flavor though. Just noticing the taste. And at the end, you can always slow down, take a nice deep breath, and exhale. And again, tuning in, noticing how do you feel after this practice. Let me know what you think. Make a message in the comment below. See you next time. Have a good one.